What's going on, everyone? Jake here from Half. I'm going to take this new REVR V5 Pro for a spin. I got my drone over there. We're going to get it up in the air. This is a moped-style e-bike, dual suspension, hydraulic disc brakes. Got some knobby fat tires. Let's get this thing on the road. So this is the REVR V5 Pro off-road electric e-bike. Now, they say it's for adults, but I'm pretty sure that kids are going to want to ride this thing. It is that cool-looking moped-style e-bike that I'm seeing kids zip around my neighborhood with. Now, it certainly can be used off-road, and I did not, to be totally fair, take it off-road, right? That's just not my jam. But that doesn't mean you have to ride this thing off-road, right? Those fat tires and that dual suspension do a nice job on smooth terrain, just like they do bumpy terrain. And I could see myself riding this thing in the winter when I got a little bit of snow on the ground and I want a little bit of extra grip. That grip is coming from those Kenda tires. They're nice, fat, 20 by 4 inch fat tires. That's just going to give you a little bit more peace of mind on, things like mud, sand, and loose gravel. Like seemingly every single e-bike, this has a Shimano 7-gear shifter. We do have 180 millimeter hydraulic disc brakes. Hydraulic brakes are nice because they're going to go ahead and stop your bike faster than a traditional disc brake. Okay, so the things you want to know, it's got a top speed of 28 miles an hour and a range of up to 60 miles. Now I say up to 60 miles because that is so dependent on how you ride. Now, it's going to take you up to 9 hours to charge this thing because it has a pretty beefy 864 watt hour battery. Now, that is paired with a 750 watt motor, so you have plenty of torque. But that heavy battery, the motor, big fat tires, that means this thing is heavy, checking in at 87 pounds. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, it's a fun bike. You got that nice long saddle seat with some pegs on the back. So if you want to throw on an extra rider, you can certainly do that. Other things, the battery is removable. That is, of course, something that you can do for a little bit of extra safety. I love that it has a nice bright headlight as well as a brake light. That is fantastic. Now, the pedal assist, there are 5 different levels of pedal assist, so you can just kind of ride this thing like a bike, all the way up to level 5, which is going to get you that zip at 28 miles an hour. Or, of course, you don't have to pedal at all. We've got a hand grip throttle there on the right side, so really nice. So who is this bike for? They say it'll accommodate a rider that's 5'2" to 6'2". I'm in the middle of that at 5'11". And, personally, I prefer the larger mountain bike style e-bikes than these moped style bikes. But that's just my own personal preference. Like I said at the start of this video, I see kids zipping around the neighborhood on bikes like this. Now, this is not one of those full, super fast dirt bikes. This is definitely an e-bike. And I think there's a difference, right? Those things are super fast and I would say borderline unsafe. This is a bike first, and it's just kind of designed like a moped. Yeah, listen, 28 miles an hour is not slow. But you got to do some work here. So I did something a little bit different with this bike. I didn't put it together. So it comes in a box, and now it's mostly there for you. You just kind of have to add the wheel, the handlebars, or whatever. But I didn't put it together. I tasked this with my 16-year-old son, and he did a pretty decent job. You may notice I don't have the front fender on there. We had a little mishap there, but it took him about 45 minutes. Now, he is fairly mechanically inclined, but he's still a teenage kid. So take that for what it's worth. I put these bikes together. They're not hard. Budget between 45 minutes and an hour, maybe a little bit more if you haven't done something like this before, but not a hard process to put it together. Overall, I've been happy riding this thing around. Is it perfect? No, but it's kind of the entry level price for one of these moped style bikes at $1,000. Now, is that cheap? No. But
with that, you get a nice, solid, quality moped style bike. It's good. I like the front and rear suspension. I like the fat tires. I like the look of it. There's this black with this black camo, or you can get the kind of the tan brownish one. I'm not a big fan of that, but maybe that's your jam. I'm not going to judge. So if you're looking for a moped style e-bike with a few extra goodies, this might be the one for you. Now, if you're looking for one of these, I've got a link in the description down below. Go ahead and pick one up. It's probably an affiliate link. I don't remember, to be honest, if I have one with this company or not, but either way, there's a link down there for you for easy access, if nothing else. So if you have a question about this bike or bikes in general, or you may notice a lot of this footage was from a drone. We do, of course, a lot of drone videos as well. So if you got questions on any of that stuff, hit me up. I'd love to answer them for you. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Hey, good luck, everyone, and happy riding.